message. Please send the message. Sultana, yes. No. Now, coming to the data structures. Coming to the data structures, stack. Stack follows what? Stack, chart with me. Stack. Stack follows. Can anyone talk with me? Talk with me. Stack follows what? Stack follows LIFO. LIFO. And next one. LIFO stands for LIFO, not LILO. Bhavya. LIFO. Next one. LIFO stands for last in, first out. Coming to the LIFO stands for last in, first out. Now, we have the second data structure. The second data structure is the FIFO, like Q data structure. Q data structure follows what? Q data structure follows what? FIFO. FIFO stands for first in, first out. Coming to the FIFO stands for first in, first out. Am I right or not? In the Q also, coming to the Q. In the Q also, we have number of queues. In the Q also, we have the number of queues. First one, like a queue, basic queue. Second one, circular queue, linear queue. Aditya, I can accept your answer. Linear queue. Second one, circular queue. Second one is the circular queue. Third one, double linked list. Dequeue. Dequeue. I think you are saying priority queue. So many queues are saying here, but we need to see it. But now, in the today's session, can we discuss about circular queue? In the today's session, we need to see the circular queue. How circular queue will work internally. How circular queue will work internally. We need to see that information in the today's session. Now, assume this one. Assume this one. Here, assume this one. This is the circular queue. Front, circular queue front connected to rear. Circular queue front joined to rear. Circular queue front portion joined to rear portion. Joined to rear portion. Then that queue we can call whatever the queue we have. Then that queue we can call it circular queue. Yeah. Can you explain again? In circular queue. Can you please explain? Circular queue front portion connected to rear portion. Then that one we can call circular queue. Fine. Now, how we need to implement it? How we need to implement it? Try to implement it here. We should be in a position we need to implement it here. Yes. Now, all the queue operations can I place with the one new file? All the queue operations, whatever the queue operations are there, all the queue operations I wanted to place into one new file. Now try to see this one. Here I need to place queue operations. Guys, you people need to do it. Guys, you people need to do it. You people need to do it. Don't do the time pass or something here. You people need to do the coding along with me. You people need to do the coding along with me. Fine. Let me create one Java program. What is that program? Let me create one Java program. What is that program? Queue operations. Queue operations.java. We should be in a position we need to create that file. Fine. Now, after creating that file, try to observe this one. After creating that file, now take the common variables. In yesterday program, how many variables we taken? In yesterday program, how many variables we considered? Guys, reply. In yesterday program, how many variables we taken? Bhavya, 4. First one, Sneha, 4. First one, front variable, front. Second one, rear variable, rear variable. Third one, capacity variable. Uh, Next one, fourth one, array. Fine. Here also same thing. Maybe if possible, take one additional thing here. Fine. Take the same variable here. Private, private into array q. Private into array q. Simply we need to take the private into array q. Next one here. Private int front. Next one here. Rare. Next one. Next one. Size. Next one. Capacity. 4 variables take it. We should be in a position we need to take the 4 variables. Initialize. I wanted to initialize. Initialize with the help of public constructor. I wanted to initialize with the help of public constructor. So how we can initialize with the help of public constructor? How we can initialize here? Now assume this one public. Next one here queue operations. Public we need to go to the queue operations here. And here I need to pass the int elements, something int elements here. Now here, how to define it? Can you help me how to define it? Q equal to new into array elements we need to pass. We should be in a position we need to pass the elements. Yes, next one. See the another thing here we need to say the another thing here. We should be in a position we need to do the one more thing here. One more thing is the front equal to next one is the rear equal to front equal to rear equal to -1. Next one here we need to go to here we need to choose the capacity also. Capacity equal to number of elements. Next one capacity equal to we should be in a position we need to place the number of elements here. Next one here we need to place the size equal to 0. Initially what is the size here? Size is the 0. And do the coding up to now, then I will tell the line by line here what is happening internally. Fine. Do that one. In circular queue, how many instance variable we taken? Reply. In circular queue, how many instance variable we taken here? Can anyone talk with me? In circular queue, how many variables we taken? 5. So, Himani, what is the first variable? Himani, what is the first variable? Q. What is the second variable? What is the second variable? Front. What is the third variable? Rear. What is the another variable? Size. What is the next variable? Capacity. And do the initialization with the help of constructor. I wanted to do the initialization of above variables with the help of constructor. Do the coding up to now. Sir, do the coding. Sir, do the coding. Everyone need to do the coding, sir. No more option. Once completed, let me know. Poonam, done na? Poonam, done na? Shyam Kumar, can I read the functionality one by one? Can I write the functionalities one by one? Yes. Here, coming to the first functionality. Check circular queue. Check queue is full or not. Check queue is full or not. Can you help me how to check it? If capacity equal to number of elements. If a capacity equal to number of elements. If a capacity equal to number of elements, then we can say that is a full or not. That's a full. So how we need to place it? Public boolean is full. Return capacity equal to number of elements. Capacity equal to number of elements. And check Q is empty or not. Check Q is empty or not. How we can check it here? Public boolean is empty. Public boolean is empty. Here we need to check public boolean is empty. Public boolean is empty. We need to check it here. No, here return size return size equal to 0. Return size, I think no element. If no element available, automatically we can say that queue is empty. That circular queue is empty. Do these two codings. The coding once done, give the confirmation. Guys, you people are taking the too much time. Don't take the too much time, give the confirmation to me. Guys, done now? Fine. Now, Karthik, try to see this one. Karthik, check it whether these functions are working or not. Karthika, I wanted to check whether these functions working or not. I wanted to check it. How we can check it? Go to the main.java. Go to the main.java. Create the object here. How can we create it? Queue operations. Queue operations equal to queue operations को small queue operations equal to new queue operations. Queue operations equal to new queue operations. Automatically we are able to create the object. Fine. Now check the first functionality working or not. We need to check it here. Queue operations dot is full. Queue operations dot is full. Guys, what's the output you are expecting? Guys, what is the output you are expecting? Can you tell the output here? What is the output you people are expecting? Queue operations dot is full. What is the output you people are expecting? Guys, reply. What happened? No one gave the reply. Queue operations dot is full. Guys, first of all, are you understanding? Hmm. Aditya Sai, you run the code. What's the problem? What's the problem, guys? Check the problem. What's the problem? What is the class we have? We need to create the constructor now. For the constructor, we need to pass the size now. Compulsory, we need to pass the size. Control enter. Yes, no, the answer is the false. Reason? The reason the queue is not full. The queue is not full here. So that's why we are getting the false. Check it whether it is empty or not. Whether it is empty or not. Is empty. Simply we need to see the is empty. Is empty. Can you answer? Is empty. Guys, chat with me. Please chat with me. Please chat with me. Is empty. What's the output you are expecting? True. Yes, no, the output is the true. Fun. Test the code. Whatever the code you done, you people need to test your code. Do it now. Once completed, let me know. Can I continue? Can I continue? Reply. Once if the code is working, let me know. Then I will continue. No. Sneha, Bhavya, can I continue? Yes. Now, we need to insert the data. Coming to myself, I need to insert the data. So, inserting the data, now say this one. Inserting the data, can I say enqueue operation? Enqueue operation. Can I say the enqueue operation? Inserting the data. Coming to the inserting the data, technically we can call enqueue operation. So can I do the enqueue operation? Reply. Can you please give the reply to me? Yes. Now I need to perform the enqueue operation. So how can we perform the enqueue operation here? We should be in a position we need to perform the enqueue operation here. How we can perform the enqueue operation? Fine. We need to insert the data in the rare or not. Rare we need to insert the data or not. Answer. Satya Lakshmi. We need to insert the data in the rare position. And we need to delete the element from. We need to delete the element from front position. Front or not. How? Here public wide enqueue. Public wide enqueue. Simply we need to go to the enqueue. Here we need to pass int data. Public wide enqueue. Simply we need to pass the int data. Whatever the data we have, the data we need to pass. Now try to say this one. If queue is full, assume. If queue is full, can I perform insertion operation? If queue is full, can I perform insertion operation? At least to chart with me, guys. At least to chart with me. If a queue is full, we are unable to perform the insertion operation. Am I right or not? How we need to handle it here? If is full, if is full, if it is a full, can you tell the message here? Println, queue is full. Queue is full. One second. Here, if of is full, if of is full, now we can say queue is full. Fine. Then we need to break the operation. Break the operation here. Simply, we need to break the operation here. For example, check it. If it is empty, assume here. If it is empty, what is the front value? Can you tell the front value? What is the front value? The front value is the -1. That -1, I want to convert it to 0. If it is empty, assume that, then we need to pass one element, then we need to check it. So how we can write the code here? How we need to write the code here? We should be in a position, we need to write the code here. If is empty, now assume this one. Whatever the front value we have, that front value we need to increment it. Whatever the front value we have, that front value we need to increment it. Fine. And another thing is that we need to insert the data. We need to insert the data at a rare or not. Answer, please answer. We need to insert the data at a rare position or not. We need to insert the data at a rare position. How we can insert the data at the rare position? Try to say this one. Here, rare equal to rare plus 1. Rare plus 1. Here I need to go for the capacity. Then we will calculate it. We will take the pen and paper. Through the pen and paper, we need to calculate it. No need to panic by seeing that code here. Now insert the data. How can we insert the data here? Q of rare equal to q of rare equal to data, and we need to increment the size also. Size plus plus, because element inserted in the sense, we need to increment the size also. Next one, here we need to say the another thing here. One more thing is the println. Now println here we need to pass the element added successfully. Element added what? Element added successfully. Now here we need to pass the which element added data. Whatever the element we have, then that element added successfully. Which element added here? The data added successfully. Now, guys, I'm explaining the code again here. Then we will pass some data. through the data we can get the clarity. No need to worry here. Fine. Now say this one. Which operation you people wanted to do? Which operation you people wanted to do? Enqueue operation. We should be in a position we need to do the enqueue operation. If a queue is full, assume here. If a queue is full, are we able to add the data? Bhavya, are we able to add the data? No, we are unable to add the data here. So that's why we need to place the queue is full. Now, and here we need to break it up. And here coming to here, we need to break it here. Next one. And here, if a queue is empty, coming to here, if a queue is empty, if a queue is empty, what is the front value initially? What is front value initially? -1. Initially, the front value is the -1. That -1 we need to convert it to. That -1 we need to convert it to what? 0. Basically, where we need to insert the element rare position, rare position. Exact rare position we need to find out it. Exact rare position we need to find out it. How we can find out the exact rare position? With the help of this code. With the help of this code, we are able to find the exact rare position. Fine. In that exact rare position, we need to insert the data. And after inserting the data, and here we need to increment the size. And here element added successfully. Whatever the element we have, that element added successfully. Here and we need to go for the data here. Fine. Now assume this one. Here we need to say this one here. Here call the enqueue. We should be in a position we need to call the enqueue here. Try to call the enqueue here. We should be in a position we need to call the enqueue here. How we can call the enqueue here? How we can call the enqueue here? Fine. Here queue operations dot enqueue of 10. Queue operations dot enqueue of 10. Guys, can anyone tell me this 10 stored to where? Reply that 10 stored to where? Guys, I need the output. That 10 stored to where? Data or not? That 10 stored to data itself, am I right or not? Whatever the 10 we have, that 10 stored to data itself. Try to say this one. Now the data contain the 10. Whatever the data we have, that data contain the 10 here. Am I right or not? And one more thing. Is the try to observe this one here. We need to observe this one here. And we need to observe this one here. Wait here. We need to observe this one here. Here, will it execute? Will it execute? Reply. Will it execute? Say yes or no. No, it never execute because the queue is not full. This code won't execute. Now I am asking again here. Will it execute? Say yes or no. Will it execute? Bhagat, take the time and give the correct answer. Sneha, say this one. First time I'm inserting the element. Bhavya, first time queue is empty. Bhavya, see this one. Queue is empty. First time I'm inserting the data. See this one. Will it execute? Yes, it will execute because queue is empty. 100% this code will execute. No doubt at all. If this code executed, what is front value? Answer, if this code is executed, what is the front value? 0. If this code executed, the front value is the 0. And now here, what is the rare value? Can you tell the rare value? What is the rare value? Can you answer the rare value? I'm talking about the rare value. What is the rare value? What is the rare initial value? What is the rare initial value? -1 na? 10 na? Bhavya, you are saying the 10 na? Now, what is the rare initial value? What is the rare initial value? Why you people? -1. Karthik, -1. -1 plus 1. -1 plus 1. What's the answer? 0. 0 percentile 3. Capacity is the 3 or not? Capacity is the 3 or not? 0 percentile 3. What is the answer? 0. What is the rare value? 0. Now the rare value is the 0. Now Q of 0. Try to say this one. Q of 0. Q of 0 equal to 10. 10 successfully inserted into Q. Whatever the 10, whatever the data we have, that data inserted into Q successfully. And after inserting that 10 successfully into Q, size plus plus. What is the size initially? What is the size initially? 0 na? That is 0 converted to what? That is 0 converted to what? 1. Whatever the 0 we have, that 0 converted to 1. Fun. Guys, are you okay with the explanation or can I explain again? Are you people happy with the explanation or can I explain again? Give the reply, please give the reply. Yes. Now, I will do something here. Please insert one more element also. I want to insert one more element also. Try to insert one more element also. Try to insert the one more element here. Here, copy this one here. We need to paste it. Here we need to pass the 20. Here we need to pass the 20. Whatever the 20 we have, the 20 we need to pass. Now, which element we are passing? 20. 20. That 20 stored to where? Chart with me, guys. So the 20 stored to where? Data. Fun. Will it execute? Will it execute? No. Will it execute? No, Sneha, no. Already element is there, already 10 is there. Sneha, I'm inserting the 20. I'm inserting the 20, already 10 there. 10 there in the sense that this code also won't execute. This code won't execute. This code also won't execute here. Never. Both the codes won't execute here. Now, what is the rare value previous case? Rare is the 0 na. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. 1. 1 percentile. 1 modulus 3. Answer is the 1. What is the rare value now? 1. And Q of 1. Q of 1 equal to, what is the data? Q of 1 equal to 20. Q of 1 equal to 20. What is the Q of 0? What is the Q of 0? Q of 0 equal to 10. What is the Q of 1? Q of 1 equal to 20. Yes or not? And the size plus plus. What is the size plus plus? 2. The size plus plus is nothing but the 2. Now, insert the another element. We should be in a position, I need to insert the another element here. Now insert the another element here. We should be in a position, I need to insert the one more element, 30. 30. Now say this one. What is the data? What is the data? Reply. What is the data? Data is the 30. Will it execute? Will it execute? Never. It never execute. Will it execute? Never. Never. This code also won't execute here. Now, what is the rare value? Bhavya, what's the rare value? Previous case. 1. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 module 3. 2 module 3. What's the answer? 2. What's the rare value now? 2. Q of 2 equal to what? Q of 2 equal to what? 30. Size plus plus. What is the size plus plus? Size plus plus 3. Size plus plus 3. Now here we need to pass the data here. Fine. Now size contain what? 3. Coming to the size contain the 3. Now try to insert the one more element. I need to insert the one more element. Try to insert the one more element here. Copy this one. Then we need to pass it. Now pass the 40. Fine. Now I want to insert the one more element here. Now what is the data? What is the data? 40. Now we have the data here. The data is the 40 here. Now assume this one here. Now will it execute? Will it execute? Yes, yes, it will execute. If it is executed, what is the answer? Q is full. Now run the code here. We should be in a position we need to run the code. Where is the break? Yes, now say this one. Element added 10, element added 20, element added 30, and Q is full. This is the way to add the element to the circular queue. Are you happy? Are you people happy? Or can I repeat again? Chart with me, guys. Chart with me. Please chart with me. Are you people happy? Or can I explain again? Yes. Now execute the code. Please execute the code. Execute it. I'm expecting you people need to execute this code. Take the 5 to 10 minutes of time. Within 10 minutes, you people need to execute this code. Friends, I will ask you, someone need to share the screen. I wanted to check the output into your laptop also. I will ask someone to share the screen. Whoever attending the class, you people need to do the coding along with me. Please execute it. Take the less time. Don't take the much time. Then take the 5 to 10 minutes of time. Then you people need to execute the code. Sir, once completed, let me know. Sir, once completed, let me know, sir. Once if few people completed, let me know. Bhavya completed na? No. Can I go through the delete operation? Can I go through the delete operation? Answer. Can I go through the delete operation? Please reply. Yes. We should be in a position we need to go through the delete operation. How? How we need to work with the delete operation? Deletion from front itself, na? Deletion from front itself, na? Front itself. So can I continue? Can I continue? Yes. Now, yeah, Bhavya, we are discussing one of the wonderful topic. The topic is a circular cue, mandatory. These topics are mandatory while attending the interview. While attending the interview and to crack the interview and to shift from one company to another company. Nowadays, these topics are very, very important. Very, very important. Now, here, go through the another thing here, and here we need to go through the DQ operation. DQ operation. DQ operation generally we need to perform from front itself now. Generally we need to perform from the front itself now. Answer. Generally we need to perform from front itself for DQ operation. So how we need to perform a DQ operation? Public, public int DQ. Public into DQ. Fine. Yeah. Guys, please help me. If Q is empty, if a Q is empty, can I perform DQ operation? If Q is empty, is it possible to perform the DQ operation? No, no. Yeah, Sultana, how can we write the code? Sultana, how can we write the code? If if is empty, if is empty. Now here choose the which one we need to pass. Which one we need to pass? Q is empty. Q is empty. And we need to break it up. And here we should be in a position we need to break it up. How we need to break it here? Return -1. Simply we need to return. Simply we need to return -1 here. Automatically we are able to return it here. Now here go through the after the if condition. After the if condition, we need to go through the delete front element. Na? Am I right or not? Q of front and store that element to one variable. I need to store that element to the variable here. How we can store that element to one variable? Reply. How we can store that element to one variable? Int deleted element and return deleted element. And here we need to return deleted element. Return deleted element here. Now here, uh, here only one same thing. Here we have the rare na. Here we have the rare na. Now you need to put the focus on the front. So how we need to put the focus on the front itself? Now say this one. Front equal to same logic guys. Logic never change. Front equal to front plus front equal to front plus one front plus one percentile capacity. Now go to the size minus here, and I will tell one point here, and I will tell one point here. In the queue, don't panic. I will explain the logic. In a queue, we have only one element. In a queue, we have only one element. If of is empty, so if we have only one element, if we delete, automatically this code will execute or not? Say yes or no, this code will execute. Now here, if we have only one element, that element already deleted. If it is deleted, once again, rare equal to rare equal to front equal to rare equal to front equal to minus one. Rare equal to front equal to minus one. Automatically, we are able to delete it. Fine. After deleting, for our confirmation purpose, we need to display that elements. Whatever the elements are there, that elements we need to display it. How we can display it here? For int I equal to 0, I equal to 0, I less than size, next one I plus plus. For int I equal to 0, I less than size, next one I plus plus. Next one here sys out of println of, say this one. Here go for the one print. Here q, and here we need to put the q. Q of here we need to pass the front plus I percentile capacity, something we need to place. Now here we need to pass the same thing. Now here we need to go to the one new line. Wait, guys, don't panic by seeing that logic. Then I will explain that logic. Q elements after deleting. What are the Q elements we have? That Q elements after deleting here. So this is the logic. Fine. Now call the Dequeue. I wanted to call the Dequeue functionality. No, comment it. I have the only two elements. Comment it. Q operations dot Dequeue. Print it. The call one more time. Yes, I'm calling the Dequeue again here. Now, guys, assume here. Here I'm inserting only three elements. I'm inserting only three elements. Guys, insertion also linked to deletion. So I'm inserting how many elements? Guys, chart with me. I'm inserting how many elements? Three elements. I'm inserting three elements. Whenever we insert three elements, what is the front value? What is the rear value? What is the size? I need the answer. whenever we insert three element, what is the front value, what is the rear value, what is the size value? Size is the 3. Bhavya, right answer. Front is the 0. Front is the 0, Bhavya. And front is the 0. Rear is the 2. Rear is the what? Rear is the 2. Guys, do the single message to me. Do the while sending the message to me, do the correct typing. Whenever we insert, whenever we insert three elements, what are the rear value, what are the front value, and what is the size value? Front equal to 0, no doubt. Rear equal to 2. Size equal to 3. Am I right or not? Fine. Now assume this one. Here I wanted to call the Dequeue. Whenever we call the Dequeue here, whenever we call the Dequeue, control comes here now. Will it execute or not? Chat with me. Will it execute or not? Chat with me. No, this code never execute. Front contain what? Front contain what? 0. Q of 0 is what? Q of 0 is what? 10. That 10 stored to where? That 10 stored to where? Deleted element. That 10 stored to the deleted element here. Yes or not? Now deleted element is nothing but the 10. Now say this one. Front contain what? Reply. Front contain what? 0. 0 plus 1. 1. 1. Module capacity 1. Now front contain what? 1. Remember, front value is the 1. At present, front value is the 1. Now, will it execute? Will it execute? No, never execute here. Now, assume this one here. Assume this one here. No, size minus minus. What is the size minus minus? Size minus minus. What's the size value? 2. 2 converted to 1. 2 converted to what? 1. Now, assume here. I equal to what? I equal to what? 0. I less than size. I less than 2 or not? Initial size is the 3. That 3 converted to 2. I less than 2. True. Now, what is front? What is front? 1 plus 1. 2. 2 module 3. 2. So, only 2 will print or not? Only 2 will print. What's the 2? What's the 2 value? Maybe 30 here. Run the code here. If you run the code, then you can get the clarity. Yes. Now say this one here. Q element after deleting it. How many elements we added? How many elements we added? 3 elements we added. And which element we deleted? Initial I need to delete 10. Do the only one operation. Later we can do the one more operation. Think we are getting the 30-30 Q elements after deleting 30-30, not 30-30. We are expecting the 10-10 now. We are expecting 10-10 or not? We are expecting the 10-10. Why we are getting like that? Check that one. I equal to 0, I less than size, I plus plus. Check it where we done a mistake. Dequeue is empty, it won't work. And the deleted element equal to Deleted element equal to Q of front. So it contain the 10, no issue. What's the front value? Front equal to front plus 1 module capacity. Okay, fine. Next one, size minus minus is empty. For I equal to 0. For I equal to 0, I less than size. Next one is the I plus plus. Next one here. Q of here Q of front of I, not the one. Front of I. Now run the code again. Yes, after deleting 20, 30. And which element deleted? 20 deleted here. Fine. Yeah. Guys, let me explain the logic again here. Then you people need to get it up. How many elements we inserted? 3. Please keep in mind, we inserted the 3 elements. And here, will it execute? Never. Front always contain 0. Chart with me, guys. Front always contain what? 0. So deleted element contain 10. 10. That 10 we are returning. That 10 we are able to returning here. Now assume this one. Front contain answer. Front contain 0. 0 plus 1 module 3. Answer is the 1. Now front value is what? 1. Keep in mind, front value is the 1. Now size minus minus. Size minus minus 2. Now will it execute? Never. Now here say this one. Here I equal to 0, I less than 2. True or false? True. Front contain what? Front contain what? 1. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0. 1. 1 module 3. 1. So Q of 1. Q of 1, what's the answer? Q of 1. Reply. Q of 1, Sneha. Not Q of 0. Q of 1. 20. Say this one, 20 we are able to display. So 10 deleted successfully. I plus plus. What is I plus plus? 1. 1 less than 2. 1 less than 2. 1 less than 2. True or false? True. Q of what is the front? 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 module 3. 2 module 3. Answer is the 2. So Q of 2. Q of 2, 30. Q of 2 is the 30 here. Automatically we are able to see the 30 and return the deleted element. What are the deleted element we have here? That deleted element we need to return here. Fine. Now, guys, little bit tricky here, but you people need to do practice. Well, let me share it. Now, do it here. Then take the 5 to 10 minutes of time. Within 5 to 10 minutes of time, you people need to do this one. Do the Dequeue operation. Twice do the coding, do the Dequeue operation. Can I expect you people done this one? Can we expect? Please reply. I'm waiting here. Whoever done, give the confirmation, or if you need the time, send the message in the chat box. Sneha, Bhavya, reply. DQ operation done. Sana, Smita, Sultana. Can I continue or can I wait? Sultana done. Bhavya done. Or do you need the time? Yes. Can I continue? Yes. No. The remaining operations are the common operations. The remaining operations are the common operations like search operation. Here I have some search operation, like search or a display operation. How can we perform the display operation? Public wide display. Fine. Here for int I equal to 0, I less than size, I plus plus, and here sys out of q of front plus I, front plus I module capacity. If it is a full, assume here if it is a full. I'm asking you if it is a full. Can I do the display operation? If a circular queue is full, can I do the display operation? Is it possible to do the display operation? No, no, not at all. Not at all here. So how we need to do say this one? If is empty here, here we need to see the println println Q is empty and break it up. Now call the display operation. We need to call the display operation. How we can call the display operation? Simply, we need to call the display operation here. How we can call? Here, Q operations dot display. Automatically we are able to display. So then that operation we can call the display operation. An already known code, no need to worry. Fine. Do the display operation code. If it is completed, let me know. If it is completed, you people need to let me know. Are you people able to perform the display operation? Are you people able to perform the display operation? Yes. Now, can I perform the peak operation? Peak operation, returning the top element. Can I perform the peak operation? Please answer. Yes. How can we perform the peak operation? See this one. We need to perform peak operation. Yeah. What is a peak operation? Return top element na return top element. What is the peak operation? How can we perform it? Public int peak. Public int peak. Yeah. Bhavya. Uh, if it is a empty, can I perform peak operation? No, na? No. No, we can't perform the peak operation. Now, and return queue of front. Front element we need to display now. Front element we need to display. Then this operation we can call the peak operation. And one more thing, test the code also. I need to test the code. Now try to test the code also. Queue operations dot peak. Yes, now the peak element is what's the peak element? Now we got the peak element here. The peak element is the 30 is the peak element. It's 20 now, 20 is the peak element. Is it right? Is 20 peak element? 10 deleted, yes. Only 10 deleted here. So that's why the peak element is the 20 is the peak element. Okay, fine. I think maybe some adjustments are required here. Not required. Then do the peak operation. Do the peak operation also. Do the peak operation and test it whether the code is working or not. Once if the peak operation completed, let me know. Is it completed? Yeah. Can I perform the last operation? The last operation is the search operation. Yeah. Bindusri, check the chart history, then you can get the attendance link. Fine. Now, let me go to the search operation. Yeah. Can anyone help me how to perform the search operation? Public Boolean search. Public Boolean search. And another thing. Here we need to do search particular element. Fine. Here, Boolean flag equal to Boolean flag equal to false. Return flag. No, here iterate it. Can you please iterate it? Can you please linear search? No, I wanted to use the linear search only. Try to iterate it. Can you tell me how to iterate it? How to iterate it? Same code, na? Same code only. We don't want to go for any other code. I need to go to the same code only. Same code. But while iterating, if if answer, if element equal to q of print plus I module capacity flag equal to true. Flag equal to true. Simply we need to replace the flag equal to true. But before doing that one, assume this one. If it is empty, can I perform the search operation? Answer. If it is empty, can I perform the search operation? No. And here flag equal to. And here I wanted to place flag equal to false. Flag equal to false. No. Perform the search operation. I wanted to perform the search operation. Let me perform the search operation. Perform the search operation. Queue operation start. Search of 20. True element available. And search 200. 200 not available. That's why we are getting the false. 20 available. So that's why we are getting the true. 200 not available. That's why we are getting the false. Now, Do the search operation code. Yes, then this operation we can call the search operation. Do this one. Do the search operation. You people need to do the search operation. What we done today? Chat with me today. What we done? Okay, Sneha. Today we done with the circular queue. Yes. Now do the coding. Once completed, at least guys, I'm expecting at least a half of the members. I sent one a PDF file also. Whoever completed, write the answers for this one. Last 15 minutes, write the answers for this one. Whoever completed the coding, write the answers for this one. Already I sent the PDF file. Already I sent the PDF file. Please go through the PDF file and write the answers for this one. I sent the PDF file. I sent the PDF file. Check the PDF file. Write the answers. I sent the one PDF file. You people need to answer the today concept like a cube and everything here. Sneha, please unmute Sneha. Sneha, are you there now? Sneha, please unmute. Sneha, can I read the questions? Read the questions one by one.
Which data structure follows the lasting first order principle? Stack answer.
Lasting first order. Yes. Next, go ahead. Answers. Then
Which
if you answers tell it. Otherwise, I will detect all the answers at a time. Go ahead.
which operation is not performed in stack?
Hmm.
Enqueue.
Enqueue performed into
Queue.
queues.
Which operation is used to add an element to a stack? Push. In which data structure is the first in first out principle is used? Queue. Which of the following is not a type of queue? Random queue. What is the time
If you
complexity
know,
of
yeah, if you know, tell it here. Otherwise, time complexity. Monday class maybe tomorrow not possible. Monday I will tell the time complexity and read the question. Not an issue.
what is the time complexity of push and pop operations in a stack?
Hmm.
O of n.
Wow. Yeah. Yes.
Which of these application uses a stack? CPU scheduling. Which method retrieves the top element of the stack without removing it? Peek. In a queue, which operation is used to remove an element? Dequeue. What happens if you try to dequeue an element from an empty queue? Underflow.
Hmm. His answer is underflow. Hmm.
Which of these operation causes stack overflow? Push on a full stack. Which data structure is typically used in recursive algorithm?
Any idea?
Stack.
No, no, no. I will let you know. I think maybe this recursive algorithm, something I will written, and maybe Monday class you can get it.
Which call itself. What is the maximum number of elements in a circular queue of size 5?
Answer is the
4.
five. Five, na? I
Uh,
think size in the sense, what
Index
size in the
start.
sense, number of elements.
Okay.
Number of elements is nothing but the size. Hmm.
A circular queue avoids the problem of which condition?
Hmm.
Wasting unused space. Sir, I don't know.
Second, a circular queue avoids the problem of which condition?
Wasting unused space.
Hmm. Read the question clearly. A circular queue avoids the
Avoids
problem.
the problem of which condition?
Yeah, maybe C answer is the same. Anyhow, we need to cross verify. Next one.
Which data structure supports both FIFO and LIFO access?
Hmm. Dequeue.
D- The condition front is equal to rare plus 1 percentage size in a circular queue indicates
Second, friend equal to rare plus one. equal to
percentage size.
percentage size. Front equal to front in the sense what? Deletion, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, empty. Q is empty. And anyhow, remember that one. Next session, we need to do that one. Fine. Anyhow, guys, I shared all the these 50 questions to you. Please make ready that one. On a tomorrow session, we need to do rectify all the answers. What are the answers we have here? We need to give the. I will detect all the answers. So you people can write it up. Fine. Guys, so all the operations are done now. All the Q operations are done now. Sana, Abita, Anjana, Bhavya. All that today Chandan Pal, कैसा है Chandan Pal? All the circular queue operations are done. Na? Yes. Whoever completed, you can. All the operations done na today. What are the circular queue operations we have done? Na? Ajay, Abita, Bhavya. Are you people learning something? Overview of DSA. Say yes or no. Are you people learning something in the DSA? Let me try it. Can I send this code to you people? It's too long. Fine. Now, Amar, you can hand over the session.
Yes, sir, sure. So, dear students, I already shared the attendance link. I'm sharing 1 second, so please mark your attendance and share your feedback too. And if you guys have any query or question, please let me know. Both Zoom and YouTube participant. Okay, guys, then thank you so much for joining the session. We'll see you tomorrow at same time. Thank you. Bye.